That was approximately two 5-gallon buckets of almonds, the almonds that we were in the shelled, and we those were dry almonds that had dried for
Correct.
a while, so we cleaned them and dried them. So
Cleaned, dried, hulled, husked, cracked.
yeah, how many ounces did that say?
And now we've got, hold on, kilograms, milliliters, grams, 9.63 ounces.
Okay. So we're going to really be working on optimizing this process a lot better because it's still pretty slow, and see if we can figure out if a bean sifter or maybe using water and floating or not floating, specific gravities or something like that can help. But look at there, we got the first batch.
Yum.
So, by the way, if you have an almond tree and would like to collect a bunch of almonds and give them to us, we're still in the volunteer phase where we need people to bring us almonds so that we can continue to work and refine the process. We would love that. So thank you so much. All right, this is Marjorie Carino. We'll give you an update next month. We are continuing to work, sometimes a little slower than others, but we're making it happen. Okay, appreciate you.
Ciao.
Bye.